All right, so now we're back, and this is the same cube. Remember, the dog's inside. So I could see the dog's in there doing its thing. One of the nice things about this is it's so easy to kind of build in and around the cube. It's to use the same same concepts you would to build any CoSpaces environment. So if I want to build a city on the top here, I just need to obviously make this building a size that is reasonable for the cube. I don't want to make the cube the entire cube, this building. Zooming out on trackpad, not nearly as useful. I'm going to get rid of that and go with a smaller building. And there we go. All right, so now I've got my building. Like I said, I can attach it to the outside here and then just kind of move it around. Let's say I want to use this building, this space, for whatever reason. I want to go ahead and make sure that it's something that will allow me to code inside of the box. So now here I'm going to show you how to get to toggle the inside-outside view on the box. So I'm going to do it in CoBlocks. If you see, there's a new tab. This is Merge Cube. So I'm going to go ahead and use a control block. I'm sorry, an event block. Excuse me. And say when I click Building 3, that's the building here on the top. And we'll go up to this Merge Cube piece here, and you'll see there's a handful of specific merge specific blocks. So visible cube sides, top side, those are values. You can change things as the cube is turned. So if you're looking to create some stories or create your adventure, or kind of follow the path, clicked, turned, and again in any direction, you're able to kind of adjust what you have in there. But the easiest one to do is that inside visibility. So you put it in your when clicked, set cube inside visible, and you want that to be true. And if that's true, what will happen is you'll be able to see what's inside the box. So I'm going to press play and show you what that means. So this is what it look like in your kind of playing field if you're not looking at it through a device with a merge cube. So then building, you can see, is accessible to click. As I click it, there goes the inside. So let's say you want the building to disappear. And in the video example that I posted on a couple of the Merge Cube and CoSpaces sites, you can see how the things disappear. So one of the things I would do is I would go back to this place and says when building is clicked. And we'll go back, and I'm going to do a couple of things here. I'm actually going to do a couple of things. One is I'm going to run these this in parallel. So I want the cube to be visible on the inside, and also I want the building itself, so I can actually set the item to transform. I'm sorry. Here we go. Transition from being fully visible to being invisible. Set the opacity to 0% at the same time as I'm able to see the inside of the cube. And here we go. So you can see there it is. Click on it, disappears. Inside of the cube is visible. And if I wanted to go back to the outside of the cube, I can do basically the same thing. I'm going to duplicate this block because it's easier than doing the whole thing. I also need to make sure the dog is eligible for coding, which I didn't do earlier. All right, dog eligible for coding. Now, here we go. When the dog is clicked, I'm going to set the opacity of building 3 to 100 and the cube inside to false. There we go. Now I'm going to click my dog. That's funny. There we go. see it jump back and forth. All right, so that's it for this video. And yeah, that's it for this one. And I'm going to show you a couple more things in one other video.